Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on a controller. Using a controller can give you a competitive edge, offering enhanced precision and a more comfortable gaming experience. This setup can truly transform how you engage with your favorite brawlers. We will cover everything from initial connection to fine-tuning your controls, helping you gain more fluid movement and significantly better aiming. Get ready to elevate your game and dominate the arena with newfound control. Connecting your controller is the first straightforward step. Most modern Bluetooth controllers, such as those from Xbox and PlayStation, are fully compatible with mobile devices. First, make certain your device's Bluetooth is turned on. Then, activate your controller's pairing mode and select it from your device's Bluetooth settings to connect. Once paired, simply open Brawl Stars. Some basic functions might already be recognized by the game, but we will fine-tune them next. For full control customization, a third-party remapping application is typically required. Apps like Panda Gamepad Pro or Octopus allow you to overlay controller inputs directly onto the screen's touch controls. Start by mapping your left joystick to the virtual movement pad and assign a comfortable button, perhaps O or X, for your basic attack. Also, set a quick access button for your brawler's super ability. Strategic placement is key here for swift execution. Beyond the basics, you can further optimize your setup by assigning more buttons. Consider mapping your brawler's gadget to a separate button, enabling quick activation in critical moments. Many players also dedicate a button for pins or even auto-aim for certain situations. It is essential to fine-tune sensitivity settings within your remapping application to ensure precise movement and aiming. Spend time experimenting with various button layouts until it feels like a natural extension of your hands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.